Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I'm doing an unboxing of the Sacred Wheel by Gypsy. I started doing the video and then I realized it stopped because I had no more space, so I had to go through and do all that, make room. So I already kind of opened the box. I thought it was taping, but it wasn't. So it's not going to look like it did, but I just want to show you that this is the beautiful cover for Imbolc. And then inside we have this beautiful info on Imbolc. And I'm just going to show you the items as I pulled them out last time and go through it because I really thought it was taping. These were all wrapped pretty and like a little gift, so you unfortunately don't get the effect. So I got this Imbolc milk bath and kitty cat talking. And it actually looks like one of those old-fashioned milk containers. So we got that. I got this beautiful Gaia Mother Earth. Very colorful. I mean, look at this. It's really beautiful. This is in resin form, but just as gorgeous. Really pretty. So we got that. I know, I hear you. We got this container here. Comes with a top. So it's a planter. And in here we have a planter and it says, "So mote it be," with triple moon, terracotta. But I realized mine cracked. So I'll have to tell her. Unfortunately, mine cracked. And in here, we have a sticker that says, oh, plant me. These are the seeds. These are seeds right here, which says plant me, which is cute. Oh my goodness, Blackie. And then we have this candle that that looks like an acorn to me. It looks like a cute acorn. So there's got to be a planting spell. Oh my goodness gracious. Then we got this beautiful besom. It has amethyst on top, aventurine, some lavender, some cotton ribbon. So we got this beautiful broom. What are you doing? We got a throwaway tea bag. That's probably for the milk bath. We also got the Imbolc floor sweep with lavender, rosemary, mugwort, and salt in this cute little tube. We got, watch out, baby. Oh, yes, we got the Imbolc intention spray. And it's in a plastic so you can travel with this guy. Hey! Get down, you little sneak. I just want to be in the video all the time. We got a beautiful Imbolc lamb altar pin. Really cute. We got a beautiful mountain sage. Oh, I'm sorry. Looks like rosemary with a pentacle and 2 palisantos. She wants to check that out. There you go. Put it over here for you. We got this beautiful bluish color bubble jar or bottle, I guess you would say. And it has a cloud and yellow rain. And on top it has another pentacle. So this is for a part of the spell in here. I got this beautiful Bridget's Cross Talisman in like pewter. It's really thick. We got this Imbolc Ritual Candle. And this also is in that cool like bottle jar. Bubbles. It smells really yummy. And then we got a Lepidolite Goddess. Cute. And we got Bridget's Blessing, beautiful Book of Shadows. And then we got the Rainwater. So this is for that bottle. And it goes over Rainwater. It's a real light, so it's going to be hard to read. But it's two sides on how to do your rainwater. And then we got this beautiful cloth. See if I can get that in there. With the wheel. So it's really big. We got the cloth. Hey, kitty cat's here. And we got this beautiful, oh, here it is. Beautiful picture of Bridget. Not only this is on photo paper, like you would see paintings. It's got that kind of paper, I can't explain. But really beautiful. Put that in a frame. And then these Book of Shadow sheets. And it's full. So, let me go over this real quick. So we have the beautiful Imbolc here. And it goes over the altar. These are really pretty. What else we got here? We got... Goes over Mother Gaia. Purification and protection magic. Weather magic and working with Gaia and Bridget. So we got all that there. And then in the back it has February calendar. Zodiac. Really nice. We got the magical contents in the box, which I will go over next with you guys. Dearest universal spark, as the solar energies heighten, Gaia calls forth light to the north while plunging the south into deep darkness. In doing so, she reminds us all is in perfect balance on earth, within and across the universe. I honor the light within you with much love. The goddess reminds us that light cannot exist without darkness. While too much focus is being placed on darkness at this time, serving the ego of a few, causing chaos in the minds of a few, there shall rise light of unraveled proportions to cleanse and bring out order. This is a light of global consciousness. Gaia urges us to balance our thoughts and actions. For even the bleakest, darkest moments, there is always light. And then it goes into the magical contents. So Gaia statue represents the energy, goddess of earth, soul mother earth herself. She is cast in resin and colored beautifully. And then the amethyst. They're saying this is amethyst goddess stone. This is definitely lepidolite. Maybe you guys got amethyst, but this is lepidolite. Then the beautiful altar cloth, the besom, the Imbolc lamb altar pin, the cross, the Imbolc candle, the intention spray, the floor sweep, the rosemary sage smudge, the bath, the rainwater collection vessel, Imbolc seed blessing ritual kit and planter set, and all their Book of Shadows art, which was wonderful. Oh, and there's still more. We have the powdered milk, honey powder, quick oats, lavender rose flowers. Shows you how to make your own milk bath right here. And then here it tells you about the Imbolc seed blessing, planting seeds of potential. So she gives you the spells. Then we got this beautiful Book of Shadows on Gaia. I'm sorry guys, the lighting stinks here. Then it tells you how to make Mother Earth incense. And then we got more sheets of the Book of Shadows of Imbolc. Imbolc spells. correspondences. This stuff is an awesome box. Correspondences, page 2. Imbolc, old ways. I use Imbolc for divination. Another beautiful page on Bridget. Ah, gorgeous. Really beautiful. And then she always includes a nice thing for family. It's a cool little youth workbook with little fun coloring pages so you can share with your family. Things about Bridget. Crossword. And some custard recipes. So this box was awesome. I leave the information about this box in the description below, guys. Thank you for watching.